We are pleased to show you the 2018 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.